Good morning, my dear student. Today I am going to discuss another important component of circulatory system, the blood vessels. Students, blood vessels are tube-like structures that transport blood throughout the body. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. Generally, in many books you will find that blood vessels are of two types: arteries and veins. Now I am going to discuss what is arteries. Arteries carries oxygen rich blood from the heart and distribute it to all body part. The pulmonary artery is an exception as it carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. Arteries have thick elastic walls. Arteries have thick elastic walls which allows its stretching, and it deal with high pressure of blood which is coming from the heart. Here look into that diagram of artery. Artery's diameter big one as compared to vein. Thick elastic wall is shown here. It consists of tough outer layer, then muscular middle layer and smooth inner coat. Artery consists of thick elastic wall, outer layer is tough, middle layer is muscular and inner layer is smooth. Now I am going to discuss veins. Have a look into that diagram. Veins are the blood vessels which carries carbon dioxide rich blood, or we can say deoxygenated blood, from the body organs back to the heart. What it carries? Deoxygenated blood. Pulmonary vein is an exception as it carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Veins have thin elastic walls. Veins have thin elastic walls. The diameter of veins is greater than that of arteries. The blood pressure in veins is low as compared to arteries. There are a series of walls present in veins. They help prevent the back flow of the blood and allows blood to flow only towards the heart. Have a look into that diagram of veins. Veins diameter is bigger than arteries. Veins have thin elastic wall. Veins consist of walls. Have a look into that wall. It prevents backflow of the blood and allows blood to flow in one direction towards the heart. Got my point?